a cactus pygmy owl. She's up early. Chicks with big appetites, giant lizards, and kangaroo rats twice her weight. But there comes a time in every young owl's life when they must be persuaded to fly the nest. So, Mom changes tactics. Food deliveries cease, but these deserts are a hotspot for predators. It's now or never. This will be the first time they've used their wings. And a landing in the wrong place could prove fatal. First up, her strongest chick. Her second is safely out too. But the third seems to have doubts. In spite of Mom's calls, it's a flat no from him. But she has a tried and tested trick to win him over. Lunch. Now she's got her chick's attention. He's out. That's not good. The ground is the most dangerous place for him to be. But up in the trees, it's not risk-free either. But not on this Mom's watch. But she's seen off this ambush. The family are safe together.